Hey guys, how you doing? This is Perry Trades. So in this video, I want to show you my wife went ahead and did a live trade today, and she had a loss today. I believe it was $153. So there's two charts in front of you. The one on the left is her live chart, and you can see that the account number is blurred out just for security reasons. And on the right side is the demo account. So I did ask her to go ahead and trade both the live and also the demo account. So she did have a loss today. Loss is part of trading. There's no way possible that you can have 100% winners. Okay, so it's fine. You guys are learning the strategy, and it's okay. So she was trading on the 15-minute chart, the MNQ, and she did have a loss. You can see here it broke the low, and now she's now waiting. Well, actually, right now she's going to enter a sell limit. Okay, so as soon as that, at this point, she's in the trade right now. Okay, and so we're just waiting for a price to push lower. One thing I would have done is I probably would not have entered the trade because of this long wick. Usually that's kind of like a liquidity sweep. All right, and I would have, another thing I suggest that you place the stop like around the orb low. All right, that's one thing, or a third of the orb low. Now she did follow her rules. Her Luca Fusion indicator, which is the bottom indicator here, is below the threshold, which is shown in the red color, red fill color, and that's her primary filter. And also too, of course, the EMA is showing everything is aligned. So she did follow her rules, right? And the reason why she had the loss is because, I believe, is because her stop was too tight. All right, so you can see here, price is the yellow line, and it looks like it's just teetering back and forth, right? So I would have adjusted it and put it right right above the orb, right above the orb low, or just a third of the range. Depending, if the range is too large, then you don't want to put it on the third of the range if it's too large. So normally when you trade the orb, you would want not a long candle, like a short candle, but both have wicks on either side. That's ideal. Okay, and so right now she's waiting to see what price does. You already know, I already told you that this is a loss. So we're just gonna see how the trade play out. So this video is only 7 minutes, so you can watch it all the way through to the end. So you can see here she's at a positive. And again, myself, I would not have taken the trade because, number one, the candle, it's a long candle, long range candle here. I wouldn't have taken it. And also too, yeah, price, there's a lot of volume here. The seller's pushed the price down here, but I think liquidity probably was swept here and probably would have pushed up. I would have put I would have placed a buy limit order here, and then have the price hit um, my limit order and make the 50 take profit on the pullback right there. Okay, so price is pushing up. Let's see what happens. All right, she just got stopped out. All right, that's fine. That's part of trading. There's no traders are 100% successful. All right, so let's transition over to the other side, which is her demo account. All right, so I asked her to, continue practicing, see what price does. And you can see here she went ahead and entered into a sell limit order, and you can see after the pullback when she got stopped out, price continued going down, and I believe she had like 4 winners. She went into a trade, it hit her profit target, and she went into 3 more trades after this. So lesson learned is, losing is just part of trading. There's no strategy that's 100% winners. You know, so what separates disciplined traders and from undisciplined traders? How you respond to losses, right? So when you lose, you stay humble. You go back, review your trade, ask yourself, why did I take the trade? Did it actually meet my setup? Did I follow the rules? What could I've done differently? Sometimes you'll kind of discover, your mistakes. Other times you'll realize you followed every rule, but then you simply just had a losing trade. It's okay, right? So before you enter any trade, you should already know where you're getting in, where your stop loss is going, how much you're willing to lose, and what will tell you that it's time to get out. So don't wait until the trade starts moving against you to make those decisions. That's when emotion takes over. So the goal isn't to avoid every loss. The goal is to control your losses. A small planned loss is part of trading. One uncontrolled loss can wipe out several good trades. So remember, so the lesson is simple. Follow your rules, know your risks before you enter, respect your stop, review your mistakes, learn from every trade, and don't let one losing trade change your discipline.